So we had a lot of haters, man, on Facebook. So like I posted this property on Facebook, and being that it is a truly a seller's market right now, there's way more um, buyers that want to buy properties than there are quality inventory available in the market. So we purchased this property. We've done a lot of work to it, and posted it in a couple of Facebook groups, buy and sell groups, and I mean, just some really, really, really mean-spirited people came out calling this property, a piece of you-know-what, and da-da-da-da, and even some personal attacks, for folks asking why am I trying to charge what I'm trying to charge for. Now, this is a lease-to-own property, so we are looking for someone who, if you want to lease it for a while, move on, or if you want to lease to own it, we are flexible in our offerings. But people look at what you purchased the property for and think that if you want to charge a premium price for it, that you are trying to get over on people or you're trying to take a ride. But what they don't understand is the tens of thousands of dollars, man hours, literally blood and sweat that goes into renovating these properties. They don't see all the hours of project management meetings. They don't see all the hours of talking to different contractors and vendors to get this work done. Coordinating work between Columbia Gas and plumbers and York Water and electricians and people to come do drywall and sanding and painting. People to come do the roof, the windows, people to come do the chimney sweep. People don't look at all the stuff that goes into renovating a property. So what? I should do this and at a loss because somebody doesn't want to pay a premium for it? There's always a buyer for whatever you're selling. And so I'm not gonna lie, I was a little upset, a little taken aback by some of the personal attacks that people came at. But those are just haters, and as Grant Cardone always says, you need haters. Haters will propel you and market your business better than people who actually like and support you, because haters will tell everybody, what's going on with you, versus people who like and support you. Others like and support you on the sly, on the quiet, but haters will get your message out to everybody.
Yeah, so saying with that, if you don't got haters, you're not doing something right. Yeah. And also, it's never personal. Some people got to try to get personal with us in our business. Yeah. We kept it professional. It's a number game. Yep. This house may not be for everybody. We're looking for high-end people that have high expectation and high quality. That's the target market that we're trying to reach out to.
And it's not that we're discriminating on anybody. It's just we know that this particular product is not going to fit everyone's preference or budget.
Yes,
and that's perfectly okay. But, we have properties that meet anybody's budget, whether it be affordable housing, mid-level, if you want suburbs, you want to live in a city. But if you want to live in a neighborhood like this, that is very mature, very quiet, if you go this way, you're at Penn State York, you go that way, you're at York College, and the hospital, you're at 83, you know what I mean? So either way, it's a prime location. We're going with brand new everything on the inside. You got new electrical, new plumbing, new roof, new windows. You're gonna have new doors. You're gonna have new cladding on the outside, power wash brick, new garage door behind me. You're gonna have new cabinets, granite countertops in there, basically new bathroom facades. All your floors are being redone. So everything in this house is basically brand spanking new. You got a new HVAC system. This had an old boiler oil system. We've ripped all that out, going with central air conditioning and forced air heating, 90% efficiency Concord HVAC unit. So we're talking tens and tens of thousands of dollars that have gone into turning this property into a first-class product. So I don't apologize for marketing this property. I don't apologize for expecting a high return on it because I literally stalked and hunted this property for over a year.
2 years.
You know what I mean? It took a while to contract it. It was a hoarder house situation. We got it all cleared out, which was an event and an ordeal in and of itself. And so, this is not a 501(c)(3). This is not a nonprofit business. We are in it to restore lives, to help people. We help the gentleman that owned this house out of a tough situation. and now he gets to keep $8,000 a year in his pocket, not having to pay taxes and insurance and mortgage. And so we helped him. You know, he's a little up there in age, so now he can live out his golden years without the pressures and rigor of that. We've helped his neighborhood out because this property was an eyesore. The neighbors would call the township on a weekly basis. So we helped the neighbors restore their property value. In effect, this property up here owned by my good friends, I'm not going to mention their names for privacy, but had we not done what we did to this house, I guarantee you their house would not have sold for what it did. So, you know, so we're helping out homeowners. We're helping out the township because now the township doesn't have to deal with, you know, this pest of a property. And so it's such an awesome situation. They look at us as problem solvers, so they call us when they have other problem properties. So at the end of the day, this message is kind of me on my soapbox. You know, I share these things in an effort to help other people who are on their journey. But I'm just telling you, if you got people who are haters that come in, I don't even know half those people. Actually, not even half. I really didn't know any of those people who were making those negative comments. But thank you very much. You know, I responded to a few folks, thanking them for their feedback and just saying, hey, you know, maybe this doesn't fit your budget or your lifestyle. Let me know. Reach out to me. But at any rate, I treat everybody with dignity and respect. And at the end of the day, I'm satisfied with the progress. I know that we're going to get a premium dollar for this property. And you haters, just watch out. And it's, you know, take note. We'll show you how it's done. You got Anthony, you got Fahad here, Eden Mandate, you got Calm Family Property Solutions, restoring lives one home at a time. Check it out one more time. Shoot it out here. Gas line going in. Uh-oh. Eden Mandate LLC. Restoring lives one home at a time. Boom. We out.